Ito na ang pinaka-hinihintay ng mga Pilipino. Honda Winner X 150 ang bagong hari. Specification: engine type 4 na stroke, 4 na valve, D, O, H, C. Liquid cooled. Displacement 149cc. Bore and stroke 57.3 by 57.8 na milimetro. Starting system electric starter. Ignition system full transistorized. Transmission type manual 6 na speed. Suspension front telescopic. Rear suspension. Single cylindrical suspension. Brake type. Front hydraulic disc with A, B, S. Rear high and rear hydraulic disc. Tire size front 90/80 by 17 tube type. Rear 120/70 by 17 tube type. Overall dimensions: length 2,000 na binsyam, width 725, height 1,104 na milimetro, seat height 795 milimetro, ground clearance 151 milimetro, fuel tank capacity 4.5 liter, fuel system FI, battery 12 volume 5 ampere per hour, engine oil capacity 1.3 liter, maximum power 11.5 kilowatts and 7,000 RPM, maximum torque 13.5 Nm and 7,000 RPM, 6 na speed, compression ratio 11.3:1, fuel consumption 52.3 km per liter. Maraming salamat sa panunood, subscribe.